coulda never be pretty from me head, shoulder, and me neck. Any picture me post them, post up a pray, girl this. Get the damn berry, girl this. And get sent to the cemetery, money for me mind. Pink like hug.
Hi guys, welcome back. What's up? Starting off the video, and before you go ahead and ask, my contact lens, they're from belongis.com, and it's Fresh Tone Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Sugar Brown, I believe. And I got a few makeup products from Rude Cosmetics. Yeah, this is the box that, you know, I got my products and just a few stuff, and that's really the name of this cosmetic line that inspired the name of this video. So to start things off, I'm using the Prelude eyeshadow primer from Rude Cosmetics, and this, as you guys know, will just help with the color payoff of the eyeshadow, helping it to also last longer. And then I'm gonna go in with the Rude Cosmetics 28 eyeshadow palette. I'm using this brown. This is a very neutral palette, and today I wanted to go for like a chocolate smoky eye. Yeah, I wanted to go for a chocolate smoky eye, so I was just focusing on using like different browns from this palette. Afterwards, I went in with the darkest brown from this palette, and I applied that to the lid, working my way up into the crease with it. And then I took a smaller blending brush to kind of make sure that I diffused that harsh line that was there, and these colors blended very nicely. I really like that. They have a nice pigmentation to them as well. Nothing crazy, but you know, it's pretty cool, you know, so I definitely liked that. No, that was pretty much it for all the shadow I applied. I went ahead and did a very thin liner with my Precision liquid liner from Sistar Cosmetics. I really love how thin the tip is. You know, it's very thin. I went in with this liner, but this is a neon yellow, and I don't know, I regret doing it. At the end of the video, I did not have this line on my eye anymore because I just wasn't feeling it. I tried to allow it to grow on me, but it just didn't. So yeah, it just did not. It did not. I don't know what, I don't know what me that tried, but me did do a thing. It never worked out. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and I started my face makeup. I took Golden Beige from Sistar Cosmetics. This is the Skin Perfecting HD Concealer. Pretty smooth, very easy to blend. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. Oh, and for the rest of the highlighted portions, I took my Kat Von D Warm Concealer. I went ahead and I set all the highlighted portions, you know, the regular routine. And then I also balanced out the rest of my face with my Milani pressed powder, as usual. As usual. Yeah. I wanted a very bold and dark lower lash liner today, because I was just going for a very, like, I don't know, kind of like very dark, bold vibe on the eye. Very smoky, you know, blown out. You know, when you see it, you just think say bare badness. Bad girl thing, right? So yeah, that's what I did. And I just, as I said, I just wasn't liking the line. So it was very much to the end of the video where I decided to just go ahead and, you know, erase them. And it didn't mess up my eyeshadow. I didn't get that on camera, unfortunately. But I went ahead and I also sprayed and set my face. And then I moved on to using my Rude Cosmetics Baked Highlighter in the shade Queen's Glow. This is super golden, guys. Very glowy. It's beautiful. I definitely believe this is women of color friendly. So now I was trying to decide which lippy I wanted to go with. Both of them are from Gaelle Cosmetics. I had Bashment and I had Bad Gyal, and I was like, I was leaning more to the blue, so that's what I went ahead and applied. And yeah, this is a liquid matte lipstick, by the way. It's Jamaican own. Yes. And I mean, it was just the perfect lippy, right? Bad gal thing, right? Yeah, I know, yeah. So I went ahead and pat that in, and then I decided that, you know, it was missing something still. And since I erased the glitter off the eyes, I said, you know what, I'm gonna go with some glitter on the lips. And I took that glitter shadow from my Royal Beauty Cosmetics palette, and I just pat that on to Bad Gal. And yeah, this is where you see where I erased the liner on the eyes, and I went on the inner portion with some of my Rude Cosmetics pigment in You're So Fine. Then I just topped off this look with some mascara on my lower lashes. Really love this. I hope you like it too, guys. It was just, you know, kind of more dramatic, wasn't so safe. And you know, sometimes it's good to just switch it up and be bold, and that's what I did today. Hope you guys like it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Let me know your thoughts, and just keep the suggestions coming, you know, in terms of videos, not just makeup looks. And I'll keep the content coming as usual. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. And I'll be sure to put all the products used in this video in the description box as well. Go ahead, check them out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.